Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine. First, gather your essential equipment like a primary fermenter, airlock, and sanitizing solution. It's crucial to sanitize everything to prevent unwanted bacteria from spoiling your batch. Next, you'll prepare your grapes by crushing them to release the juice, creating what's called must. Then, measure the sugar and acid content of your must to ensure it's balanced for fermentation. Once your must is ready, it's time to introduce the wine yeast, which will kickstart the primary fermentation. This is where the magic happens, as yeast converts the grape sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide gas. It's important to keep your fermenter at a consistent temperature, ideally around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal yeast activity. This initial, vigorous fermentation usually takes about 5 to 10 days to complete. After primary fermentation, you'll rack the wine, which means carefully transferring it to a clean secondary fermenter, leaving behind the sediment or lees. This process helps clarify the wine and prevents off flavors. You may need to rack the wine several times over the next few months. Then, the wine enters its aging phase, often in a carboy or oak barrel, where it develops more complex aromas and a smoother texture over time. Finally, it's time to bottle your homemade wine. Ensure all your bottles and corks are meticulously sanitized. Carefully siphon the wine into each bottle, leaving about 1 to 1.5 inches of headspace for the cork. This prevents oxidation and allows for proper sealing. Once corked, store your bottles in a cool, dark place. Don't forget to check the description for a link to this air freshener and other great deals. Your patience will be rewarded with delicious, homemade wine to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.